Okay guys, welcome again, Mr. Boy Nice Story. Today I'm going to share with you on how you can restrict your input box to either write on the numbers or the text. As you can see here, when I am trying to write the text, it can't write the text, right? It deletes itself frequently, successively. So I can't type the text alphabets. No, for this input box it won't allow me, but only I can input the numbers from 0 up to 9. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 0 0, it gets inputted here very easily. But for the text, for the alphabets, I can't indent. So here is a simple code that I've used, so I'm going to delete it so as I can work with you step by step. So let's get started. Refresh here, nothing happens. Okay, let's start a flash. Let's create our doc type HTML. Okay, see you later. Okay, then here I'm going to enter the text that will say enter only numbers on the following input box. Yeah, let's like this way, enter only number on the following input box. So from here, let's make a simple break. Let's make a simple break so as we can write our input field below it. Okay, so let's break it, not body, the area. Okay, let's break this one, and below it let's make an input. So let's say input with an idea of empty. Okay, and we say let's give a certain function on key. Here I'll use on key up, but you can say on key down, on key place, whatever you want. But here I'm going to use on key up action or event that will provide a function func, you see. So when I'll do I'll be holding the key up, it will be providing me what? Yeah, that function. So as you can see here, nothing happens, no interesting things. I can input both the text, both numbers, because I have not defined this function. So before that, let me give a style for the body. So for the display, not display, I'll align my text to be center aligned. So let's set the style of text align. Let's make a center. Yeah, let's make a center. And also the font size, let's make a font size of larger. Yeah, okay, let's add a font size of larger. Yeah, awesome. For the text, let's make it to be bolded so as it can be more blacker. So let's put our text enter only numbers on the following input box. So there will be from the start and from the end there. Yes, as you can see now. Okay, all of the things get center aligned. The input field inputs both the text, both the numbers, because we haven't already defined the function func. So let's create our script here. For this tutorial, I'm embedding the script within the HTML, but you can write another file. You can write the script of your function on the another file, but here I'm embedding the scripts within the HTML. So let's define the function func. So let's say that let's create a variable called next. So this variable You can create whatever name you want. This variable next to I have put it is equals to double forward slash. Something gonna happen here, the bracket, with the GI. G means global, I means the capitalized or the capitals, like capital letters. So when I write this this cap 0 up to 9 means I will restrict all other terms except numbers from 0 up to 9. I will accept them on my what? On this variable. So input dot value, my input. As you know, my input is the ID of what? Of the input field. So I say input the value equals to input dot value. I will replace the value of my inputs with the variable next to. What that the variable next to says? The variable says you are only permitted to enter numbers 0 up to 9. Otherwise you can't enter another things. So from this field I have to write on the numbers from 0 up to 9 whatever, otherwise I can't enter in this input box. So as you can see, I can't write a text. No text can be entered here on this box since I have restricted that on the numbers. You can see the numbers from 0 to 9 are easily get embedded down here, down the box. Yeah, but when I try to write the text, the alphabets, nothing gets input here, Yeah, as you can see, man. So that's, as you can see, you can't enter a text on the numbers from 0 up to 9. That's only that you are permitted to enter in this input box. So this is a restriction. We have restricted the input field values to only be the what? The numbers from 0 to 9. I can also change the input values to be only the text. For instance, I'm setting the text from A up to Z. So we do only accept. Let's get to refresh this page first. So here now we have to refresh the alphabets from A up to Z. They will get inserted here. As you can see now, the text, the alphabet gets integrated, but the numbers can't be entered because we haven't permitted that they should get it here. They have no permission. We have restricted the numbers from not get inserted down here. I think guys you got me on this. So this is how you can restrict your input field. Thank you guys. Let's